This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I received Happy Mail. Hi, Wendy. Your package just arrived. Thank you so much, Wendy. Oh, so nice of you to mail me something. Let's see what you mailed. This is the first time I have received Happy Mail. And I just can't tell you how happy I am. Okay, so I don't want to cut anything wrong. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a bag. I think it's a bag. Let's see. I think it is a bag. Oh my goodness, what's this? And then she put another secure thank you. Oh my goodness, what did you make? Oh, these are the yarns that I sent you. Yeah, she was the one who received. Oh my goodness. Oh, Wendy. Oh, you made a cowl. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Look at the pattern. If you want me to make a tutorial, let me know. My lovely subscribers, she did a wonderful job. Yeah, I think this is the yarn I mailed you, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, oh wow. Oh, starfish coaster. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Cotton yarn. Flowers. She made flowers. Are these coasters or? Oh, look at this. You can put your cup in here. Oh my goodness. Isn't this lovely? What a neat idea. When you made brooches. Oh my goodness. I'm going all over the place. Oh, this is so nice. You did lots of work. You glued this, and then you glued this cardboard to secure it, and then you glued this. Wow, fantastic. Oh my goodness, you're so neat, Wendy. Thank you so much. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. What is this? Thank you for writing. Eye makeup scrubby. Oh wow. To scrub my face. Oh, so nice. You know, sometimes I never have time to make stuff for myself, so this would be perfect. Here's another star. Yeah, let me know what these are for decoration or. Oh, you made chicken? Oh, chicken pot holder. Oh, isn't this nice? Oh my goodness. I do have a tutorial. If you go into my tutorial, I have a tutorial for a pot holder. Just remind me of this, but this is way neat. This is a chicken. Mine is something else, some other bird. Can't remember offhand. Oh, this is so nice. And then these are, oh, you made it double? Yeah, Tri-Vent pot hot pad. Nice double. I think there's something else in here. Oops. Yeah, there's another one. Another 3 layers. Oh wow, this is pretty neat. Oh, these aren't. Oh, and then you wrote me a note. Oh, these are nice. Look at the pattern. Isn't this nice? Different patterns. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Face cloth. Yeah, this is very nice. Thank you so much, Wendy. I really, really appreciate it. Oh my goodness, look at these goodies. Put these closer. The cup, I can put a cup. These pins are so cute. Let me just read the message quickly. Here is the card she sent me. Isn't this lovely? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Wendy. Yeah, she does write here that I recognize the yarn. I wasn't quite sure, but I did. I shipped so many yarns in 2019. It's unbelievable. I'd never counted, but it must have been over 50 subscribers who I shipped yarn, maybe more. But yeah, I will definitely put this on my... Oh, wow. This is very nice. Thank you so much, Wendy. This really means a lot. Oh my goodness. Well, I just wanted to share what... Thank you so much, Wendy. I really appreciate this happy mail that I received today. Oh my goodness, I just can't believe it. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to tape it and for you to see my hear my reaction. Unfortunately, you can't see me because I wanted to show the items that I received instead of showing myself. So I hope everyone's having a great Friday and getting ready for the weekend. And take care of yourselves and not to worry about anything and stay calm. And then keep on hooking, crocheting, knitting. And thank you very much again, Wendy. I really appreciate your stuff. These are going to be cherished. And have a great weekend. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. I am almost hitting 20... how much was it? I keep on forgetting. Yeah. Just about hitting, let me just open, 24,000 subscribers. Yay! I do get lots of comments, and I can see that the people who are sending me comments, you are not subscribed yet, so please do subscribe. I can see the people who haven't subscribed when I get messages. There's a way, I guess I didn't know before, so maybe in the next videos I will show that. Happy crocheting, happy knitting, and have a great day.